Samsung has introduced the Galaxy A55 as an attractive mid-range alternative to its flagship S series, addressing affordability concerns. This phone is expected to offer flagship-like features while being budget-friendly. Here's what you can expect from the Galaxy A55. It will come with a 6.5-inch OLED display featuring full HD+ resolution and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a visually enhanced experience. Powering the Galaxy A55 is the rumored Exynos 1480 processor paired with an AMD GPU. This combination promises significant performance improvements, as indicated by impressive benchmark scores. The chipset includes 4 high-performance cores clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 2.05 GHz, along with an RDNA2-based C530 GPU. While performance expectations are high, support for advanced GPU features like ray tracing remains uncertain. In terms of design, the Galaxy A55 takes inspiration from the flagship Galaxy S23 and shares a similar aesthetic with the S24. Notably, Samsung has introduced unique design elements, especially in the side frame, giving it a premium feel. However, there is still a noticeable gap in camera hardware quality between Samsung's flagship and mid-range models. The Galaxy A55 is expected to feature a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 32-megapixel front camera, similar to its predecessor. Unfortunately, the 5-megapixel macro camera is unlikely to see significant improvements. The Galaxy A55 aims to strike a balance between performance and affordability, catering to a broad audience seeking a budget-friendly yet feature-rich smartphone. If you're excited about the Galaxy A55, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section and consider subscribing to the channel for more updates.